Welcome to our full guide on how to check your Walmart Mastercard balance in 2025. Let's get started on understanding the benefits of your card. Checking your Walmart Mastercard balance regularly helps you manage your finances effectively and avoid overspending. To check your balance online, simply visit the Walmart website, log into your account, and navigate to the Account Balance section. Alternatively, use the Walmart mobile app. After logging in, you'll find your balance prominently displayed on your dashboard. For any balance inquiries, Walmart's customer service is available to assist you. Just give them a call, and they will help you out. You can also check your balance at an ATM using your Walmart Mastercard. Just insert your card and follow the on-screen prompts. Setting up balance alerts is a great way to stay updated on your spending. You can enable notifications in the app settings. Alongside checking your balance, viewing your transaction history gives you insights into your spending habits. To manage your Walmart Mastercard balance effectively, create a budget and monitor your purchases regularly. In conclusion, regularly checking your Walmart Mastercard balance ensures you stay in control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.